Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this small lamp that I've had for a while that I've upcycled, adding some beautiful crystals and some beautiful rhinestones and stuff to it. So if you want to see how I accomplish this, just keep on watching. So the items you'll need for this DIY is a lamp, of course. Any one of your choice. Can be an old one that you've had for a while. This one I've had like 2 years and I've decided to spruce it up. I'm also using my Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. I'm also using these crystal garland that I got from EFAVORMART. They're like the plastic kind, but they're beautiful nonetheless. I'm also using this teardrop crystal with the little holes at the top. Absolutely gorgeous. I also got that from EFavorMart. And I will be using my handy dandy hot glue gun. Now I've already gone ahead and measured and pre-cut my bling wrap. I've also removed the shade from the lamp itself. And what I'll be doing is I'll be hot gluing the bling wrap around the lampshade, just like so, using my hot glue gun. So what I'm doing here is using my hot glue gun to add some hot glue to the lampshade as opposed to putting it on the bling wrap itself. Trying to get it out as much as I can. And then with that, I am just going to put the bling wrap on that area where the hot glue is and press it in to make sure that it adheres. Because I'm using my glue gun at high temp, I'm going to use my scissors to assist me to pat it in. So if you have any other object, maybe a popsicle stick or even your scissors just like I'm doing, use that to help you so you don't get burned by the hot glue. Now after working my way around, this is what it looks like. You'll notice that the bling ribbon is on an angle, and that's because of the way the lampshade is shaped. It gets bigger toward the bottom. So for a more tidy and even look, I had to just put the slant in there. Now I'm ready to add our pre-cut garland, and I will be adding them to the wire part of the lampshade. And the method I'll be using is just to give it a slight fold over that wire piece and using my hot glue gun to adhere it. Be sure that you have your lamp and lampshade attached so that you have accurate measurements. And at the very end of the strings, I will be adding the teardrop. Because the circles in the garland do not have holes, I'm not able to put a jump ring through to attach it to the teardrop. So I'll just be using the hot glue. I'll put a small bead of it on the circle part of the garland and then just adhere it to the teardrop itself. So here I'm just adding a small dab, like a pea size. And be careful, guys, this is hot. And then I just put the round part of the teardrop up against it and just hold it in place until it sets. And when you believe that it's in place, securely adhered, then you can go ahead and let it go. And here we are, testing, and it's all dried and ready to go. All my pieces are ready to go. I'm using 9 pieces in total at 3 different lengths. And as I said, I'll be using the folding method. I'm just adding a dab of glue to the wire portion. Then I'm going to fold it over about the length of 3 beads. anchoring one of the bead to it just so I have something to work with, making sure that it's securely adhered here. And then the next step is add more hot glue to the very end of the bead that I folded over. And then I'll just make sure that it attaches to the hanging part to create a loop. I hope that makes sense. Now all my ornaments have been added and I love the way it looks so far, all nice and dangly. Look at how beautiful those are. Absolutely gorgeous. Now the next step that I'll be taking is I'm actually going to go ahead and add a piece to the very front where the bling wrap folds. I'll be using this beautiful brooch from Totally Dazzled just to create a little bit more elegance and bling at the front. When I come back, I'll show you how it looks all together. And here it is, my penny pinchers. It is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I went ahead and added a second brooch from Totally Dazzled for that extra pizzazz. And I'm displaying it on this little clock table that I have. Look at all that bling, all that dangle. It is absolutely beautiful. And that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick and easy DIY. And thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're the first to know when I upload a video. And to all my penny pinchers, thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.